Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, look, we got a nice volatile market, a nice opportunistic market, a really nice trading market. We're coming into the last day of what's been just a really solid week. The bears really have to avoid any interaction with the green line. That's the daily mid-band. And look, probably one of the most bearish things that could possibly happen would be to come on up to the daily mid-band, which is, for us, it's really a delineator of whether we are in a buy dips market or a sell rallies market. If you come in here and it can't get over the top, it really would confirm on an intermediate, even to a longer term basis, that we remain in a sell rallies market, and you'd be one lower low away from going and seeing stuff like the 200-day exponential moving average. Now, bearish folk, let me stop you right there. Every time we come up and do this from a deeper area, they blow it. And they don't just blow it. They blow it huge. And they go all the way up. So if you're the bears, I think you really want to avoid the test. I think you really want yesterday's high up at 44.55. You'd really like that to be as far as this goes. I think it's critical that you close below both the 9-day and the 50-day exponential today. So you're talking about a close below 44.12 to include the 9-day. So let's hop on the hourly. So lows of the week, high or low on Wednesday at the 100. That's where things started to get screwed up. So they couldn't hold it below the 100 on Monday. They confirmed it on Wednesday as support. And we basically did this ramp job all the way up into late yesterday afternoon. As far as the room went, you know, we were long the open. We had been long the 92 area from the night before. We had let those runners work, but we tried to short off the open before we got in the long, and it became immediately apparent that the short side just had no place in anybody's reasoning yesterday morning. So we got long 06, 07 area, and we rode that for the vast majority of the day. We tried a little bit late in the day. We had some things setting up for us on some of the time base, some of the clock stuff that we follow, but that didn't really pan out. So the bulls on my stuff did not put together a full day either, and that could be problematic heading into today. And they haven't had a good Globex. We're back below the weekly pivot. We're below the daily pivot, 26.58. And we've been kind of hanging around between 44.16 and 44.24. 44.24 being the 24.89 is the 50-day exponential moving average, which is not popping up here. And I don't know why, Thinkorswim. So what's up with that? Anyway, we'll figure that out later. Today, you want to see the bears finish. You want to see them close it below 44.12. Bulls, you need to take out this high. You don't have to take out the monthly pivot today. You don't have to take out the daily mid-band today. But if you really want to win the day, you got to be up here. So the bears need to be down here, and the bulls need to be up here. Going into the tail end of a week that's been very volatile, this thing has a gold-plated invitation to do this. Let's fight over the weekly pivot all day long. If that's the case, we will be trading this morning. And if we're not getting any kind of vol that we can get into and get some stuff done, we made our week a long time ago. And we made our month a long time ago. And we've said to ourselves in the room, we've all agreed we are not going to trade chop. We're going to slap no trade zones on things. We are not going to get torn up. We're going to try a couple things, and if they don't work, we're going to walk away, and we're going to wait for markets that are better suited to basically everything. So whether we trade this afternoon or not, it's up to the market. And whether anybody trades at all ever really should be up to the tape. Is the tape providing an environment that's conducive to your style of trading and can tell you why you are in a setup? Okay? So, one of the things in the Facebook training I did last month was 5 things you need to know to manage any trade. And the first one is you need to know why you're trading. Know why you're in setup. Why are you trading? Why? Are you trading because you're bored? Are you trading because it's Friday afternoon and you happen to have some time today to trade? Those are not valid reasons to trade. Those are good reasons to screw around and mess up your week, but they're not good reasons to trade. If there's not a valid setup, if you can't succinctly say in a sentence or two why you're in a particular trade, you should not be in a particular trade. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check us out. I'll be out with numbers and stuff Sunday night and Monday morning. Take care, trade them well, be good, talk to you.